Hello and welcome to Level Up Finance, where we talk about money, mindset on the road to get millions. And on this episode, I like to talk about secure cards and secure loans and how that can help you level up your money, your finance quick within 6 months if you do the right things. Boom. These are three credit cards or secure cards that I use. Actually, the middle one, the credit one, is not a secured card, but it's a little baby limit. The one in the front, the U.S. Bank. One behind is Open Sky. Middle one, little limit. One in the front, 4,000 of my money, big limit, secure card. One in the back, 1,500, secure card. But I regret getting the Open Sky. I wish I got something else. The reason why, because you don't get your money back. You know, the only way, actually, you could get your money back, but you gotta close the account and get your money back. It don't unsecure like the U.S. Bank. After a year, you do everything the right way, your U.S. Bank will unsecure. And the credit one, I mean, at that time, I was desperate for anything, any line of credit. So I got that. It's at $300 still after all these months. I got that around March, April. That was like the only unsecured anything I had at that moment last year. So on the road, on my road to level up my credit, about March, I decided, I'm going to level up my credit because I want to do bigger and better things. I actually want to refinance my house and things like that. You can't refinance your house with bad credit. So just like I got so much equity, I'm equity rich right now. So I got to do some things to level up my credit. So 2021, I could refinance my property and do a couple of big boy things. So these were just a few things I did to level up my credit. I had to pay off some debt too. I had to go to the court, pay off some debt. But that's another story. But I'd like to show y'all a few things and why I think Navy Federal is a great credit union too, and how the big banks, I don't like them. Actually, let's talk about the big banks. Before I got these secure cards, I tried Bank of America, which I had a relationship for over a decade. I have a business account with them. I have a personal account with them. They denied me. I'm like, how can you get denied for a secure card? They denied me for a secure card. I went to Citi. They denied me. Who else I used? Citi. Oh yeah, Discover Bank. They denied me. So I'm getting denied by all these big banks and not getting no. Oh yeah, and Capital One. They denied me. So I'm like, I'm coming with my own money. Coming with my own money. Why you guys deny me? But those secure cards more for younger people with no credit profile. If you have, it's not for people with bad credit. It's not even younger people. People with no real credit profile. That's how you can start off with a secure card. But if you already have a credit profile and it's bad, they don't really extend credit so it can help you out. It's more for people that never been there and done that before. So if you have bad credit, don't go for these secure cards. They're gonna deny you. Open Sky, it helps you out with your credit, but it doesn't check your credit at all either. Don't check your credit, and then you could put as much money as you want. I think up to $5,000. U.S. Bank is the best deal. They don't check your credit. You can put up to $5,000 on there, and unsecures in a year. Credit One is pretty easy to qualify for, but you're only going to give you a little baby limit. They're going to give you some fees. Open Skies and not Open Sky. I forgot the name of that one, but boom, yeah. There's some other secure cards that's not that great as far as you just put money up and then it don't unsecure and you got to close the account to actually get your money back. I just can't think of it at the moment, but these are the three cards that I use to level up my credit and Navy Federal secured loan. Now let me show you a couple of things that I'm talking about. Boom. All right, boom. This is my FICO. All right, and this is my latest credit report. 37 accounts. one in collection, but it's one that's in collections closed. Zeroed out. I paid it. Well, inquiries look kind of crazy. Wow. But 37 accounts, my score 680 Equifax, 645 TransUnion, 641 Experian. Not great at all, but better than last year, I can tell you that. Past reports, boom, boom, boom. This is when I started my journey. Started in March, but I guess I opened this MyFICO in April. So boom, April 24th, 40 accounts, 5 collections, only 5 inquiries. Wow. So what my score look like? Ouch. 550, 574, 528. That's pretty bad. Credit Karma, same deal. 773. The last time I had a credit report was January 25th, 2021. 773. Look at this. 0, 0, 0. Zero. Everything zeroed out. Boom. 16. Boom. 0. Everything zeroed out. All right. Now let's go back March 20, as far as I could go back. So let me go way back. These are zeroed out, but a lot of things went to the courts. If you ever have any issues with paying payments, talk to your banks before they take you to court. They're gonna sue you, man. You don't want that to happen to you. You want to jump on things as soon as possible. City, boom. Discover 6,000. Look at all this. Look at all this. Credit Bureau 8,000. Boom, boom. I mean, this is my mortgage, so I don't care. This is something I'm gonna have for a little while, so I don't mind that at all. I paid $78,000 for a 2-family house that's cash flowing like crazy, so I don't mind that. Yeah, look at all that, and then look at this. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. Leveled up my credit. I had to level up my credit because I plan on doing big boy things. I need credit and money. All right. So that's that. And look at this. August 27, 2020. That's why I'm always going to mess with credit unions from now on. I'm not going to mess with no big banks. They didn't look out for me in my time of need when I was ready and willing to give them money. It was like, nah, we don't want your money. We want you to suffer. They gave me a $500 credit card, 18%. Big banks would have gave me like a 26%. Remember this date, August 27, 2020. Congratulations, you're approved. Boom, boom, 500, 18%. I had to end up changing this card to a different card and end up increasing it from 500 to 1,500. I got an Amex rewards card. Now, less than a year later, boom. January 9th, 2021. Congratulations, blase, 7,200, 15%. And my credit don't look great. I put a lot of money, I put a good amount of money in the bank. I use them for everything. I build that relationship with them. They increased my little baby card from 500 to 15. Now I applied for a new card and they gave me $7,200. I have a collection, which is paid off. Everything is paid off, but my credit report don't look that beautiful. And my credit score definitely not over 700 in Credit Karma, but not in the real world. My FICO is the real score you should look at. Your FICO score is the real score. Don't look at your Credit Karma and be like, I mean, the 700 is not the real score. So this is how I leveled up my credit, by paying things on time, all the time, paying it off. Actually, I use my credit card like a debit card now for the most part. My U.S. bank, I just left a little, limit on there, but it's at zero now, and I won't be use that anymore. Everything's at zero. I have let me show you something. Boom, boom, Grain. This is a great way for you to build up credit. If you not a person that live paycheck to paycheck, your bank account look okay, you have some nice cash flow, you keep money in the bank, Grain is a great app to get. You got bad credit, it doesn't matter. I have this, but I don't even use it. You could use this to basically take us, like a debit card, turn your debit card into a credit card. You can actually take money from your Grain account and put it into your bank account as like a little loan to yourself. I mean, Grain is a great tool to use. It's better than a secured card. And they don't do no credit check either. This is only based on your banking activity. All right. So I got all these positive accounts, paid off all these bad accounts. This account was at $8,000. Now look at it. Boom. All right. This went down $3,000. 000. So I had to level up my credit. So it started with just my secure cards. Started with, let me show you my secure loan. Boom, boom. Okay. I put up $2,000. I've been putting up my own money. I know I'm gonna get this money back, so I don't care. Started my first payment. This is a secure loan when the interest rate is this low. I put up $2,000 and I just been making payments. So once this payment is over, that's when I'm gonna go to, get my get my refinance done. So my debt to income ratio will look, good, which it look good right now, but I just want to make it look real good. So this was October, so November, December, January, February, March, April. So April will be 6 months and it'll be over with. So that's when I go for my refinance. So you have to have a combination of stuff. I have a mortgage, which helps. I got a secure loan. I got multiple credit cards, some secured, some not. And I just making all my payments on time, all the time. All right. So this can help out you to level up your finance. And I'm still not done. I'm going to do some more stuff. I'm trying to be in the 700 club in a few months. So stay tuned for that. But, if you could get into Navy Federal, get into Navy Federal. If you can't, it's cool. You can do this with any credit union. PenFed. Oh yeah, I just got approved for PenFed, 3,500. So in a matter of a year, I was struggling to get a $300 card. I end up getting a $3,500 card, a $7,200 card, and my $500 card turned into a $1,500 card. I'm sitting on more than 10 grand of credit. My unsecured credit. I'm not even including U.S. Bank. It's my money, so I'm not including Open Sky. That's my money. I'm not including a little baby $300 card from Credit One, because as soon as I refinance, I'm cutting that low quality card out of the mix. Because my main thing was to be able to refinance. So once I hit my goal, I'm canceling Open Sky, I'm canceling Credit One. I'm just focusing on my big boy cards, my Navy Federal, my PenFed, and I'm just going to get credit union cards from now on. Credit unions are better than big banks. I could testify to that. All right, so this is just a couple of things to help level up your finance, level up your credit, and your road to get millions. Okay, so I'll talk to you on the next one.